Pirates always crash. Believe it or not, knowing which components in FPV are easy to damage can be important. Welcome to MEPS-FPV tips. Today we are going to talk about the vulnerable components. First thing first, the propeller are the most easy damaged components in the most commonly used 5-inch quadcopter or the long-range FPV, as they don't have any protection on the probes. But for the thin hoop like 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drone, the probes are protected well and not that fragile like the 5-inch ones. Luckily, they are not expensive and easy to replace. If one gets damaged, just buy a new pair and replace them. Next up, we've come to the motors. As FPV speed can be really fast in most situations, the motors won't last long after crashes. The good news is that MEPS motors are among the most durable motors on the market, providing you the most efficient unibell motors. Arms can be also vulnerable because they are made of carbon fiber and they are most likely at the forefront during crashes. So we recommend you choose a frame with separate arms instead of a unibody one. This means you can replace arms when it's damaged. What is easily overlooked is the antenna. There are two antennas on the drone, the radio receiver antenna and the VTX antenna. Those little things always disappear or break off once the drone is crashed.